Are you a data analyst looking to diversify your income streams? In today's video, we'll explore some lucrative income ideas tailored for data analysts. 1. Freelancing. Use your data analysis skills to offer freelance services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. 2. Consulting. Provide data analysis consulting services to businesses in need of insights and strategies. 3. Online courses. Create and sell online courses teaching data analysis skills to aspiring analysts. 4. Blogging. Start a blog where you share insights, tips, and tutorials related to data analysis. 5. YouTube channel. Start a YouTube channel where you share informative videos about data analysis. 6. Public speaking. Offer your expertise as a speaker at conferences, webinars, and workshops. 7. Data visualization services. Use tools like Tableau or Power BI to create visually appealing data visualizations for clients. If you're looking to enhance your data analysis skills and dive deeper into the world of AI, check out Digicrome's Data Science with AI course. Click the link in the description to learn more and start your journey today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative content like this. Thank you for watching.